Blockchain.com Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're going to dive into the Blockchain.com wallet, one of the most popular crypto wallets on the market today. If you're thinking about using this wallet or just curious about its features, this review is for you. Links to the wallet and other recommended products are provided in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Blockchain.com Wallet is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced crypto users. Whether you're just getting started with Bitcoin or you're managing a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies, this wallet aims to meet your needs. One of its standout features is its ease of use. Blockchain.com has a very user-friendly interface, making it accessible for people who may not be tech-savvy. The setup process is straightforward, and within minutes, you can start sending, receiving, and storing various cryptocurrencies. This wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, allowing users to manage a broad range of assets in one place. Additionally, it offers seamless integration with Blockchain.com's exchange, enabling users to trade directly within the wallet. This is particularly useful if you're looking to make quick trades without transferring your funds to an external exchange. Security is always a top concern when it comes to crypto wallets, and Blockchain.com does a decent job here. The wallet offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, advanced password encryption, and a unique passphrase that you must keep safe to recover your funds if you lose access. However, it's important to note that Blockchain.com Wallet is a custodial wallet, which means that while you have control over your funds, Blockchain.com has access to your private keys. This is a key consideration for those who prioritize maximum control and privacy. For those who are always on the go, Blockchain.com offers a mobile app that mirrors the functionality of its desktop version. The app is well optimized, and you can easily manage your crypto portfolio from your smartphone. Whether you're looking to check your balance, send funds, or exchange crypto, the app makes it all possible with a few taps. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The customer support, for instance, has received mixed reviews. While the support team is responsive, resolution times can vary. Additionally, some users have reported issues with withdrawal times during periods of high network congestion, which is something to keep in mind if you need quick access to your funds. In conclusion, the Blockchain.com wallet is a solid choice for anyone looking to manage multiple cryptocurrencies in one place, with the convenience of integrated trading and a user-friendly interface. However, if you're someone who values having complete control over your private keys, you might want to explore non-custodial options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details.